Yeah. Stumbled upon them. Look at your face. Oh my god. This is my neighbor's cat. The rest is cute. What is not lovable about this fluffy fella? This is not my cat. This is my neighbor's cat. The rest of them is my cat. Hey, don't fight. And I have more behind, and I have 4 more inside. And it feels like it's never enough, even though I already have 17 of them. They just keep coming, you know. Even this guy, it's not my cat, but he had become like, you know, a permanent resident or something.